Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. I would like to ask you a question. What do you mean by selling habits? What are these selling habits? If you are a business owner, you are an entrepreneur, or you are a sales professional into job, or maybe you are a self-employed person, maybe a doctor, engineer, someone. You have to know, you have to understand the value of selling habits. See, selling is not an event. It is not something when you are doing when you are just meeting with the client or you are facing the client one to one. Some people overlook the value of selling habits. All other good habits, waking up early, sleeping on time, eating breakfast on time, doing exercises, like all other good habits, we have to learn and understand the selling habits also. I'll give you some examples. When we talk about selling, the first thing comes is communication. Communication involves two parts: talking and listening. Talking means when you talk, you should be polite and you should be clear with your message. And when we talk about listening, when we say the second part of the communication, that is listening, that means you should be an active listener. Means you should make aware the other person that you are listening. So I have created different videos on this topic. I'll not go deep into this. My today's topic is the value of selling habits. So back to our point. So when we say the communication habit of selling, don't you feel that we should adapt this habit into our day-to-day life and we should live this habit 24 hours? Why should we focus on this habit and we should implement this thing on the time of when we are meeting a client for a negotiation or closing? Let's take another example. We talk about good attire. In selling, it is very important that your attire should be good and that should be formal. Don't you think you can be into good attire all the time? I'm not talking about when you are on the bed or maybe in your living room. I'm talking about when you are moving out to the market or some other place. Don't you think it will give a different picture of yours to other people when you look more formal or more framed? Let's take another example. Selling involves understanding the other person. Selling involves understanding the pain of other person, the requirement of other person. Don't you think that this habit, if we adapt and we live this habit 24 hours a day, it will help us to create or to enhance our relationship with all other people around us? So this is what I'm trying to tell in this video. If you have any thoughts, please comment below. And if you want to connect with me and learn sales more, please DM me. Thank you.